The majority conservative Supreme Court may soon decide to do away with 4 decades of affirmative action in college admissions. The High Court agreed to hear arguments to a challenge against race-weighted admissions. The challenge claims race-conscious admissions at Harvard and the University of North Carolina hurt Asian American applicants. The group Color Us United supports the challenge and advocates for a race-blind America.
An Asian American has to score 440 points higher on the SAT to have the same chance of admission as a black person, 150 points higher to have the same chance of admission as a white person. An Asian American, if they weren't discriminated on the basis of race, would make up 43% of Harvard's student body.
Harvard says it does not discriminate based on race, saying, quote, the Supreme Court decision to review the unanimous decisions of the lower federal courts puts at risk 40 years of legal precedent granting colleges and universities the freedom and flexibility to create diverse campus communities. Considering race as one factor among many in admissions decisions produces a more diverse student body, which strengthens the learning environment for all. A coalition of students who previously testified in support of Harvard's policy agree.
I think it's not that it gave me any sort of special attention or treatment, but just allowed my application to be seen as a whole, a holistic package.
Harvard says race is not a large factor in admissions, but if race were not weighted, the number of Black and Hispanic students on campus would be cut by half.
Banning the consideration of race at Harvard would cost the university its best students and would move the school backwards.
And that was our Sean Shiobot reporting. The Supreme Court may hear the arguments this fall.